Welcome back to RobyDIY. Today, I'm building a homemade airplane using just bamboo and cardboard. It may sound simple, but making it fly is a real challenge. Let's see if this crazy idea will take off or crash like last time. Right after launch, the plane nosedived straight into the ground, resulting in a violent impact that severely damaged the front section. At first, I thought it was a design flaw or a control mistake. But after reviewing everything, the real issue came from the launcher. It turns out the launcher wasn't set at the correct launch angle. Instead of giving the plane a proper incline, it fired the aircraft straight up at a 90-degree angle, leaving it with no lift or stability. The result, a crash that was practically inevitable. Now, I'm not sure if this plane can be saved, but I'm going to try in the next video. We'll see if there's any chance to rebuild it and get it back in the air. Thanks for sticking around.